Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th February 2026. India and the United States have established a trade deal framework, significantly lowering tariffs and boosting economic cooperation. The agreement includes India's commitment to purchase $500 billion in US goods over 5 years, with further negotiations planned for a comprehensive bilateral trade agreement. Mahindra Group said it would invest Rs 15,000 crore over the next decade in Nagpur, Maharashtra, to build its first integrated automobile and tractor manufacturing facility in the country. The 1,500-acre facility will be supported by a 150-acre supplier park in Sambhajinagar area of Nagpur. Once fully operational, it would have an annual capacity of more than 5 lakh vehicles and 1 lakh tractors. The supplier park will provide components to the new plant as well as to Mahindra's existing facilities at Chakan and Nashik in Maharashtra. The Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, or DIPAM, announced that financial bids for the strategic disinvestment of IDBI Bank have been received. These bids will now undergo evaluation according to the established procedure, marking a significant step in the government's plan to divest its majority stake in the lender. Non-banking financial companies offering gold loans can now open branches freely, a move expected to benefit major players like Bajaj Finance and Muthoot Finance. The Reserve Bank of India has removed the prior approval requirement for these companies, allowing them to focus more on credit delivery and risk management. However, opening representative offices abroad will still require RBI approval. Power Finance Corporation has acquired a majority stake in REC Limited. This move consolidates public sector non-banking financial companies. The acquisition follows the Union Budget's vision for scaling up credit disbursement and technology adoption. PFC's board has approved the acquisition and a future merger. Post-merger, PFC will remain a government company. The Reserve Bank of India on Friday proposed that banks be allowed to directly lend to real estate investment trusts or REITs, with certain prudential safeguards to deepen the financing pool for the real estate sector. Currently, REITs raise funds through bonds which are subscribed by mutual funds, NBFCs and others. Since these investments are mostly short-term, long-term funding was a challenge for REITs. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.